To check your transaction history on Gemini, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Gemini website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, find and click on the account or profile option, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select transaction history. In the account section, look for a tab or link labeled transaction history or activity. Click on it to view your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You may have options to filter your transaction history by date, type, or status. Use these filters to narrow down the information you need. Step 5. Review and export. Review your transaction details on the screen. If you need a record, look for an option to export your history as a CSV or PDF file for your records. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Gemini. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to the support team for assistance.